Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel with another latest video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to split a column to different cells. After that, I will show you how to merge them in a cell. So, without wasting time, let's get to the work. Here you can see I have written down boys pajama. Okay. Now, if I try to split them boys pajamas, then what should we do? We'll do boys pajama. Okay. Or okay, but we can do it in a different way. Like here, go data tab, text column. Okay, so select that text, then text column. Okay. Here we have two options. First option, let's see if we want to split by which command. Here available tab, semicolon, comma, space, and others. So here we have a space found, then space. See, look, it's already been split. Okay, that's it. It has already been. Now, again, we go back to the previous slide. Like that, we can take here one more thing like this data. Okay, let us see. Let's first we select the column, go to the text column. Okay, then here we can't see any option like here. So others, if we type 0 like that, 0 was deleted and rest of the quantity repeated with two columns. So if we try to do this in another way with another option like fit with, so what will the requirement? First next, then like that, we can customize the column which we want. Suppose that we need two columns, that A is split in one column and others numbers will be split in the other column. Will placed on other column. So let's see. Yes. See, already split. But those two columns, maybe our selection is wrong. Right now, you see this? We can do this in another way, like flash fill. What is flash fill? First, we written down A, enter, then go home tab, go fill, and flash fill. Flash fill, before doing flash fill, we have to select the row which we want to fill. Okay, now click flash fill. First number has come out. Okay, then in another column, we can set 0, 2, 7, 9, 3, 7. Okay. Now 0 has been 0 will later on set down. Select the column directed flash. Okay, see, this is the option of flash fill. In the another video, I will show you the advanced uses of flash fill. But today, I only show you the this option, data tab and text to column. Okay, right. Now we have to make it. You have to, and from the very beginning of my video, I told you that we will first split the column test column in a different one column in a different column, and another option will show you to merge the two column in a one. So in this cell, I will show you how to merge. There are so many formula. If I type formula equal concatenated, okay. Now place comma, semicolon, replace, okay. Semicolon replace, space if I want to add, then semicolon replace, then comma, then press and see if there will be no space, it will be 0. See, we have already merged. This is the formula we can use. But in another way, in a shortcut, you can use equal shift 7 and semicolon, okay, then press 0, then again click and take this one, okay, the presenter. See, both are same. So in this two way, we can merge two column into one column. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel to inspire me. I saw there are lots of people watch my video but they didn't subscribe. So please subscribe, hit the like button and wait for the next video. Till then, Allah